Hello, so today we're reading Copycat, written by Anne Harth. A boy stood in front of Daniel. Daniel lifted his right leg. The boy lifted his left leg. Copycat, said Daniel. Daniel raised his left arm. The boy raised his right arm. Copycat, said Daniel. Daniel stuck his tongue out at the boy. The boy stuck his tongue out at Daniel. Copycat, said Daniel. Daniel clapped his hands. The boy clapped his hands. Copycat, said Daniel. Daniel twirled in a circle. The boy twirled in a circle too. You are such a copycat, Daniel said. Daniel, Grandma called, are you playing in front of the mirror again? Comprehension questions. Number 1. What does Daniel do first? So let's look to the beginning of the story on page 3. And we see that Daniel lifted his right leg, while his reflection lifted his left leg. So what does Daniel do first? He lifts his right leg. Number 2, who does Daniel call a copycat? So let's go to page 7. And Daniel says to the boy, you are such a copycat. And then we learn on page 8 that Daniel's playing with the mirror. So who does Daniel call a copycat? His reflection. Number 3, who asks Daniel a question in the story? So let's go back to page 8, and we can see Grandma says, are you playing in front of the mirror again? So Grandma is the one who asks Daniel a question in the story. Number 4, what does Daniel not do in the story? Well, we know what he does do. We see that Daniel lifts his right leg, raises his left arm, stuck his tongue out, clapped his hands, and twirled in a circle. So something Daniel doesn't do in the story could be he jumps up in the air or he does somersaults. Anyway, tell me if you have any other ideas. But thank you for listening, and please keep practicing to read. Bye-bye.